if you are here, if you are listening to this, I know one thing for sure. You are looking for a change. And today I'm going to talk about how to make it happen strategically. If you're new here, let me introduce myself quickly. I'm Dana. I'm a busy mom and a corporate worker who decided I wanted a future that I have power over. And I didn't want to just get by anymore. I want a life where I have more freedom, more flexibility, and most important, I have choice. And now I'm passionate about helping others like me to take control of their future, to make a change to in their lives. And I wanted to talk about March because you know how it is. January, start of the year, excited, but also, after holidays, setting resolutions, catching up, getting back into routine, and try to take that maybe the post-holiday mood, right? And then comes February, dark, cold, short, at least here in Canada where I am, right? So it's more like surviving and waiting to be over for the spring to come. And here it is March, right? March feels like a fresh start. And although maybe a part of the world, I'm in Ontario, Canada, it's still cold. It doesn't really feel like fresh spring, but I think this is an amazing month to get serious about the changes that you said you will make at the beginning of the year. This month it's time to take action. So let me ask you this. What change do you want to bring into your life? Your career, your business, whatever it is. What change are you willing to do this month? Not next month, not next year, this month. Because, let's be serious. It doesn't matter how fast you are going if you are heading into the wrong direction. So I think it's if you are working hard or harder than you ever did and you still feel stuck. Maybe you are juggling way too many things and still don't see the results. If you are thinking about making a change but you don't know where to start, if that's you, then this is your sign. It's time to stop running in circles and start moving with some strategy. So, and this is the month. Let's call it March, the strategy month. So how do you shift from doing to doing the right thing? And here are 3 simple steps to start thinking strategically about your next move. Step 1, have clear goals. What do you actually want? More time, more income, a better life, a better work-life balance. Be very specific and think of what exactly do you want. And then identify what's the one step, the first single step that you'll do. Because the biggest mistake we all do is trying to plan ahead 50 steps. It's good to have a plan. It's good to have a long-term, short-term strategy. But let's talk about the first step. What's the first step you'll do? And of course, the most important step 3 is take action this month. Don't wait until April. This month, identify your goals, identify the first step, and take action. Use these 31 days in March to commit to making some real progress towards your goal. Small steps lead to big results. Do it now. So here's my challenge for you. Drop the word strategy in the comments if you are ready and committed to take action this month. No more waiting, no more overthinking, no more postponing. Smart, strategic move towards your future life. And if you are looking for a way to build something flexible, real, and that will make an impact, an amazing impact in your life, and more than that, and the life of those around you and life of other people, let's talk.